Welcome back. This is Preparing for Algebra, Chapter 6, Graphs and Other Related Measurements. The first page we're going to work on is page 186, and we are doing mean, median, mode, and range. And the first one, mean, means an average. And the way to calculate an average is you take a group of numbers, or in this case called a set, you add them up, and then you divide by the number of numbers, and that gives you the average of all the numbers. So simply put, the example 1, 6, 7, 4, and 22, you add those up, they equal 40. There are 5 of them, so we're going to divide by 5, and the mean, or average, is the number 8. Go ahead and find the mean for the rest of this current page, and we'll move on to page 187. Page 187 is median, and that is the middle number in a set of numbers. And there's two types of medians to find. One, if the set of numbers is an odd group of numbers, for example, 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6, the very middle number, number 3, is easy to see. On the second example, where there is an even amount of numbers, you put them from least to greatest, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 25, 25, 66, 66, 70, and 70, and find that two numbers are in the exact middle, 3 and 25. So what we do when there's an even amount of numbers in the set is you take the two middle numbers, add them together, and divide by 2, giving us 14 in this example as our median. Go ahead and solve the next 3 problems, and we'll wait for you on the next page. Page 188 is mode, and this is the number that shows up the most often in a set of numbers. So the first example has a whole bunch of 4s. So that is the mode for those sets of numbers. Now when there is a set of number that has, for example, two 2s and 2 3s, then you can say that the set of numbers has no mode. It has to be the one number that shows up the most frequently. Go ahead and solve, find the mode for each of these sets of numbers, or if it has no mode, make a mention of that. We'll go on to the next page. We're on page 189, and this is range. Now range, as like it kind of sounds like, is the difference between the lowest number and the highest number in a set of numbers. So the example set is 1, 4, 5, 2, 22, 3, 77, and 8. I suggest you always line them up in numerical order, and the range here is from 77 to 1, which is 76. So I want you to find the range for each set of numbers below, and we'll move on to our next page. So on page 190 we have mean, median, mode, and range for a group of numbers. So we're putting it all together from the previous page's exercises. Go ahead and figure out all of them for the next set of numbers. A bit of a note here, check off the numbers as you count them so you get an accurate count, and line them up from least to greatest.